Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two IT management platforms to help you decide which of these platforms would be a better choice for your IT management work in 2025. So let's dive into it. Atera and Jamf Pro both offer a built-in IT management solution in 2025, but they cater to slightly different audience. Atera is an all-in-one RMM, which is remote monitoring and management platform ideal for MXPs and small to mid-size IT teams. It combines remote access, patch management, automation, and integrated ticketing in a single interface. Its pricing is technician-based, which offers a great value for teams managing many devices. Jamf Pro, on the other hand, is a specialist in Apple device management. It provides deep level control over macOS, iOS, and iPad OS environment, perfect for organization fully embedded in the Apple ecosystem. Where Atera shines is versatility, automation, and ease of onboarding, while Jamf Pro lead in Apple-specific security compliance, which is app deployment and user experience. Atera may lack some of the Apple native depth Jamf Pro offers, while Jamf doesn't have the broad multiple platform reach or built-in RMM tools that Atera brings. And this is a overall conclusion about the platform. Choose Atera if you need a flexible all-in-one IT management solution across Windows and Mac, or opt in for Jamf Pro if your organization is Apple-centric and need the most robust device management tailored specifically for Apple hardware. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more reviews.